Hey everyone, welcome to Campus and Concept. We are here to help you ace your exams with our unit-wise important question designed for quick revision. In this video, we will tackle Unit 2 of Computer Networks. Get ready to boost your scores and prepare for your exams with our best resources. Let's dive in. And the question 1 is, the physical layer is concerned with. The physical layer is concerned with option A, routing of packets, B, end-to-end delivery, C, transmission of bits over a medium, D, logical addressing. And the correct answer is C, transmission of bits over a medium. The physical layer is the lowest layer of the OSI model, and its primary job is to handle the actual transmission of unstructured bits over a physical communication channel, such as a cable or air. This involves managing the physical and electrical specification of the connection. Question 2. Which of the following is not a type of signal? Option A, hybrid, B, digital, C, binary, D, analog. Pause and solve. And the correct answer is A, hybrid. Signals are broadly categorized as either analog or digital. Analog signals are continuous, while digital signals are discrete. Binary is a specific type of digital signal with only two states, typically 0 and 1. Hybrid is not a standard type of signal in this context. Move on to question 3. Which type of signal is represented by discrete values? Which type of signal is represented by discrete values? Option A, digital, B, continuous, C, analog, D, hybrid. Pause and solve. Try it your own. And the correct answer is A, digital. A digital signal is a sequence of discrete or separate values. This is in contrast to an analog signal, which is a continuous wave. Question 4. A continuous variation of a wave that represents data is called. A continuous variation of a wave that represents data is option A, analog signal, B, noise, C, pulse, D, digital. And the correct answer is A, analog signal. An analog signal is categorized by its continuous, varying waveform, which can be modified to carry information. Question 5. The attenuation in data transmission refers to option A, frequency distortion, B, signal delay, C, signal loss of strength, D, noise generation. The correct answer is C, signal loss of strength. Attenuation is the reduction in the strength of a signal as it travels through a medium. This loss of strength can be a major challenge in long distance communication. Now move to question 6. The random undesired signal that disturbs communication is. The random undesired signal that disturbs communication is option A, jitter, B, noise, C, latency, D, bandwidth. And the correct answer is B, noise. Noise is any unwanted electrical or electromagnetic energy that interferes with the transmitted signal and can corrupt data. Question 7. The distortion caused when signal components travel at different speed is called. The distortion caused when signal components travel at different speed is called. Option A, crosstalk, B, delay distortion, C, attenuation, D, thermal noise. And the correct answer is B, delay distortion. Delay distortion occurs when the different frequency components that make up a signal travel at a different speed through the medium, causing the signal to be distorted at the receiving end. Question 8. The measure of data transmission capacity of a channel is. The measure of data transmission capacity of a channel is option A, noise, B, bandwidth, C, propagation speed, D, latency. And the correct answer is B, bandwidth. Bandwidth is the range of frequencies a channel can carry and is a measure of its data transmission capacity. A higher bandwidth generally means more data can be transmitted in a given amount of time. Question 9. Which of the following is a guided medium? Option A, infrared, B, fiber optic cable, C, microwave, D. Radio waves. And the correct answer is B. Fiber optic cable. Question 10. Which of the following provides the highest transmission speed? Option A. Twisted pair. B. Radio waves. C. Coaxial cable. D. Fiber optics. And the correct answer is D. Fiber optic. Fiber optic cables transmit data using light pulses and are capable of carrying a massive amount of data at very high speeds over long distance, far exceeding the capabilities of twisted pair cable and coaxial cables. Question 11. The main disadvantage of twisted pair cable is option A. Complexity. B. Noise. High noise susceptibility. C. Low availability. D. High cost. And the correct answer is B. High noise susceptibility. Twisted pair cables are vulnerable to electromagnetic interference from outside sources and to crosstalk, where signals from one pair of wires leak into another. This makes them susceptible to noise. Question 12. Which medium is most suitable for long distance high bandwidth communication? Option A. Fiber optic. Option B. Coaxial cable. Option C. Twisted pair. Option D. Infrared. And the correct answer is A. Fiber optic. Fiber optic cables, low signal loss and extremely high bandwidth make it the ideal choice for a long distance high speed data transmission. Question 13. Unguided media use. Option A. Copper wires. Electromagnetic waves. C. Optical signals only. D. Cables. And the correct answer is B. Electromagnetic waves. Uniguided media are wireless transmission methods, and they can electromagnetic waves to transmit, and they use electromagnetic waves to transmit data through the atmosphere or space without a physical contact. Question 14. Wi-Fi works using which type of transmission media? Option A. Fiber optics. B. Twisted pair. C. Coaxial cable. D. Radio waves. And the correct answer is D. Radio waves. Wi-Fi is a wireless networking technology that uses radio waves to connect devices to the internet and to each other. Question 15. Converting digital data into digital signals is known as option A. Line coding. D. Modulation. C. Demodulation. D. Multiplexing. And the correct answer is A. Line coding. Line coding is the process of converting a stream of digital data bits into a digital signal that can be transmitted over a physical medium. Question 16. Pulse code modulation (PCM) is an example of option A. Analog to digital conversion. B. Analog to analog conversion. C. Digital to analog conversion. D. Digital to digital conversion. And the correct answer is analog to digital conversion, option A. PCM is a method used to convert a continuous analog signal into a discrete digital representation. This is crucial for transmitting analog data over digital networks. Question 17. Amplitude modulation (AM) is an example of A. Analog to digital conversion. B. Analog to analog conversion. C. Digital to digital conversion. D. Digital to analog conversion. And the correct answer is B. Analog to analog conversion. Amplitude modulation is a technique where the amplitude of an analog carrier signal is varied in proportion to the message signal, which is analog. Question 18. Phase shift keying (PSK) belongs to option A. Digital to analog conversion. B. Analog to analog conversion. C. Digital to digital conversion. D. Multiplexing. The correct answer is A. Digital to analog conversion. PSK is a form of digital modulation where the phase of a carrier wave is shifted to represent digital data. It is a way to encode digital information in an analog signal for transmission. Question 19. Multiplexing is used to option A. correct error in transmission. B. Convert analog to digital. C. Combine multiple signals into one medium. D. Increase storage size. And the correct answer is C. Combine multiple signals into one medium. Multiplexing is a technique that allows multiple data streams to be combined and transmitted simultaneously over a signal communication channel. Question 20. Frequency division multiplexing (FDM) divides channel based on option A. Packet size, B. Frequencies, D. Time slot, D. A single strength. And the correct answer is B. Frequencies. FDM works by dividing the total bandwidth of the medium into a series of non-overlapping frequencies bands. Each band is then used to carry a separate signal, allowing multiple transmission at the same time. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful for your exam preparation. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Our next video topic is up to you. Comment your suggestions below so we know what you would like to see next. Thank you everyone.